Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be cooking a nutrient dense kale. Okay, and the reason I say that is I like my kale nice and green and kind of medium crunchy and also full of all the nutrients. Instead of letting it boil in water, I really do not do that. So okay, the ingredients we're going to need for this is about 2 bundles of kale, 2 cups of broccoli slaw, 1 onion, 1 bell pepper, 1 carrot sliced, 3 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoonful of oil of your choice, seasoned salt to taste, and a teaspoonful of black pepper. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so in my pot I put about a tablespoonful of avocado oil, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my carrots in and my broccoli slaw. Okay, and just kind of let that stir fry for a few minutes. Okay, now I'm going in with my onions and my peppers, and you want to reduce the heat so you get everything nice and crunchy. Realize that the food that we eat does not have, especially the veggies, everything is picked so early these days. So the nutrient value is not like it used to be. So in order to get the maximum nutrients out of your food, you cannot overcook it, because then the nutritional value is going to be totally gone. Alright, now I'm adding in my garlic. Next, some seasoning of your choice. And then I'm going in with my kale that has already been washed and drained. And it might look like a lot of kale. Give it a chance, you'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going in with about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoonfuls of veggie stock. Not a lot. Alright guys, here is the kale. And look at it. Still nice and green. And this is what it came down to. And everything should still be green but crunchy. So I'm giving it maybe another 3 to 4 minutes, and that will be finished. Remember to add whatever else you need to add. You can add whatever seasoning you want to add to it. You can also go ahead and add that. But whatever you do, don't put water on it, don't overcook it, because you want the nutrients from your kale. Okay guys, that's it. The kale is finished, and as you can see, it's still nice and green. It's cooked but not melt in your mouth tender, because when it gets to that stage, the nutrients is also melt away in whatever liquid you cook it in. So you want to leave your veggies, not just kale but all your greens, a little crunchy or just al dente, just so it's soft to the bite but not overdone. And That's basically it. Again, the nutrients in the ground is almost gone, guys, so we have to preserve the little bit of nutrients that's in the greens or the food that we're eating. So try to do that as much as possible. At least that's what I do. So that's it for my greens. Check it out. Nice. See the texture? It's nice and green, but still tasty and edible. Okay? Until next time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, take care. God bless.